Emotional intelligence is all about emotions. How well you decode your emotions and of those around you determines your EQ level. Your EQ is the greatest predictor for personal or professional success and not your IQ. Yes, it might sound a bit surprising, thinking all our lives we have been trained to get better at our technical skills, but never on people skills. Before you move ahead, do click on the subscribe button below to stay tuned to all my posts. Let me differentiate between mental intelligence IQ and emotional intelligence EQ. IQ has more to do with your logical reasoning, planning, strategizing, which is your cognitive ability. Whereas EQ is more about your ability to recognize and understand your emotions and those around you and manage them effectively, which basically means you have self-regulation, empathy, and social skills. Let me give you an example. You are working as a data scientist and have been assigned to complete a project. The moment you complete the project, you walk into your boss's cabin, give him a quick brief and be done with it, taking a huge sign of relief that you have completed your deliverables. Or you walk into your boss's cabin, check with him if it's a good time to discuss about the project that you have completed. But not just limited to that, you also try to understand his emotional state by looking at his body language, gestures, and his tone of voice. If you realize something is not right, extend your support in any ways that you can. Now, there is a world of difference between the first and the second approach. The first approach contributes to your success, but only to a level limited by your academic and technical skills. Whereas the second approach will make you a leader because of your ability to interact with others with impact. People with high IQ will start to become irrelevant with each advancement in artificial intelligence. If you haven't been working on your emotional skills, then you might be at a risk of replacement very soon, because emotional intelligence as a skill is very human and will continue to be as such, whereas mental intelligence is a skill will be outsourced to the AI. Remember these two types of intelligences: intrapersonal intelligence and interpersonal intelligence. Intrapersonal intelligence is your ability to understand the feelings and emotions of others and change your response accordingly. Someone who is in sales, people-facing role, politician, orators, these people are naturally good at it because of so many new people they meet on a regular basis. Intrapersonal intelligence is more about being self-aware about your own emotions, thus able to stay in control irrespective of the pleasant or unpleasant situations that you face. Keeping our emotions in check allows us to make sound decisions intuitively, and some of the most important decisions in our life are made more by intuition and less by logic. For example, which car to buy, to rent a house or to buy one, when to marry and whom to marry. Just take a pause and think, did you use logic or intuition while making the biggest decision of your life? There will always be emotional rational dichotomy. That means your intuition might ask you to do something opposite of what the logic or data tells you to do. At this juncture, if your dominant nature is emotional, then you would go with your intuition and vice versa. Let me know in the comment box what is your dominant nature, and do subscribe to the channel for more informational videos like this. See you until the next time.